Pet DNA tests are big business and growing fast, valued at $235 million worldwide in 2022. But how accurate are they? In tonight's Weekend Journal, Christina Hager of CBS station WBZ in Boston put the companies to the test with some surprising results.
You're a good girl, Cleo.
My sweet dog, Cleo. All her life, I've had no idea what breed she is until maybe now that she reluctantly let me swab her cheek to be sent to geneticist Eleanor Carlson.
We sent the swab in, they put it on some big fancy machines and read off the string of DNA.
She's a researcher at UMass Medical School and the Broad Institute and runs a lab called Darwin's Ark. Digging into pet DNA science, an industry on track to be worth $723 million by 2030.
I personally do have concerns about the fact that from a consumer standpoint, you don't always know what you're getting when you work with those companies. There's not a lot of rules in this space.
That's me swabbing my own cheek before sending the samples off to 3 different companies. Oravet reported my cheek sample failed to provide the data necessary to perform the breed ID analysis. Then Wisdom Panel messaged that my sample didn't provide enough DNA to produce a reliable result. The results we got from the company DNA My Dog linked dog breeds to a human sample. Carlson says the science has important value when it's done right.
We might be able to figure out which dogs are at risk of getting cancer and screen them more often and be able to diagnose it earlier. We might be able to develop new treatments for that cancer.
She ran my dog Cleo's DNA, all these numbers and codes showing her genetic makeup. The biggest percentage pointing to
German Shepherd. I never would have guessed that.
Carlson says pet owners should know that dog genetics have not fully arrived yet, which is why she hopes more will donate DNA to her lab. The bigger the database, which she's making public but anonymous, the closer the science comes to unlocking the mystery under all that fur. Christina Hager, CBS News, Boston.